Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video here at 88 Rotors Off-Road. We have a Tacoma compilation for you guys to enjoy today. Starting off with this Quicksand 3rd generation Tacoma TRD Off-Road 4x4. We're installing an EIBACH Stage 2R lift setup on here with SPC ball joint upper control arms and a Deaver add leaf in the back. These right here are the Graham Lights 57 DRX in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset that we wrapped in a 285/70 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. As you see, we always place our caps properly, lining up with the engraving on the spokes and the valve stem at the very bottom of the wheel. With the EIBACH front threaded coilover, we have this adjusted to about 3 inches of lift in the front end. In the back, we get 1.5 inches of lift with the Deaver add-a-leaf system. Are you guys new to the channel? If you are, please consider subscribing. Post a ton of Toyota truck content on here if that's what you're into. We have multiple warehouses in the city of Baldwin Park, fully stocked of all the products that you want, need, and desire. Our retail location is located in Baldwin Park, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, please reach out to us anytime by phone, or you can always message us by clicking on the link in the description and going to our contact form. And if you're not local to us and want to take advantage of our special deals, check us out at 88rotorsoffroad.com. We can help you take out the guesswork on what parts you need to order. We have pre-packaged kits that are pre-adjusted and pre-assembled. Here's an underground color 4th generation Tacoma. This one right here just received our Westcott Designs preload collar lift kit with some new wheels and tires. We went with the Method MR305s in double black, 17 by 8.5 size with a plus 25 offset with a 285/75 17 Falcon Wild Peak AT4W. Need a cost-effective suspension lift for your 3rd generation Tacoma? This one right here just received our Bilstein 5100 setup. We paired it up with some Old Man Emu front lift springs, SPC upper control arms, and a Deaver add-a-leaf system. These right here are the 17 by 8.5 -12 offset RRW RR6H wheels. You can see we already installed the King 2.5 remote reservoir shocks in the back with the Deaver add-a-leaf system. We're doing a body mount chop up front to clear some more aggressive wheels, the 17 8.5 -12 RRWs that we just showed you, and some 285/70 17 tires on them. Fast forward, we already installed the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers up front, adjusted to about 3 inches of lift with the Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms. We get so many calls from people asking if we really do have these King shocks in stock. Well, guess what, guys? We do. We order these by the pallets. So if it's listed on our website, it's in stock. And we have a lot of other parts that aren't even on the website just because they're harder to get, and we save them for our local customers. So if you're local to us in the city of Baldwin Park, stop on by and check out our showroom. I'm a big fan of bronze wheels on Army Green. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below and let us know. Here's a Lunar Rock Tacoma that's in for a King package. We're doing the King 2.5 remote reservoir coilovers and shocks on this one with compression adjusters, Camburg tubular X-joint upper control arms, and a Deaver add-a-leaf system for the suspension. For the wheels and tires on this one, the customer decided to go with a set of KMC impacts in a 17 by 8.5 size with the 0 offset in matte black. Tire of choice here are the 285/70 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2s. Over here, we have an MGM 3rd gen that we're doing a body mount chop on. Back over to the Lunar Rock, we also did a high clearance bumper cut on this one. With the new lift, wheels, and tires installed on the vehicle, we're going to torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec and load up all the factory suspension components before we bring the vehicle out for a quick test drive. Our tech is now wrapping up the BMC on the 3rd generation magnetic gray metallic Tacoma. We already installed the Bilstein 6112s on it with the SPC upper control arms. And here we are rolling out the Lunar Rock Tacoma on the King package. We hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us a like. It makes a big difference for this video and the channel itself, and it definitely encourages us to make more videos like this for your viewing pleasure. And let's get back over to the magnetic gray metallic Tacoma. This TRD Off-Road 4x4 model here just received a Bilstein 6112 setup up front with SPC ball joint upper control arms, Deaver add-a-leaf system in the back with the Bilstein 5160. We did our body mount chop on here. Wheels on here are the 17 by 8.5 -12 offset RRW RR7H full form wheels with a 285/70 17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2 tire. Let's bring this one out for a test drive next. Are you a fan of the RRW RR7H flow form wheels? I definitely am. These right here MSRP are $1,300 for a set of 4. We have them on special right now for 10% off, making the price of $1,170 for a set of 4. But only for a limited time, use the promo code YouTube, that's YOUTUBE, and get an additional $100 off a set of 4. That brings it down to only $1,070 for a set of 4 wheels. This will not last long. Use that promo code now to get that discount. We plan on removing that code within the month. Simply click on the link in the description or go to 88rotorsoffroad.com and enter the promo code at checkout to get the discount. Next up, we have a 4th generation 2024 Tacoma TRD Off-Road. This one is coming in for a King suspension setup. We're doing the King 2.5 remote fin reservoir coilovers and shock setup on here with Camburg kinetic billet uniball upper control arms. We're also doing the King and links in the rear as well. We're gonna get this bad boy staged up on the rack now and remove all the factory suspension components. For the wheels and tires on this one, we're going with the Method MR703 bead grip wheels. It's a 17 by 8.5 plus 35 offset in a matte black finish. Tire of choice here are the Nitto Ridge Grapplers in a 285/75/17 size. The lift like this on the vehicle, it takes very minimal modifications to fit the 34-inch tires. Let's bring this one down, torque all 4 wheels and tires down to spec, and bring it out for a quick test drive before we hand the keys back over to our customer. If you guys like what you see here and want to see more, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You can find us at 88 Rotors Off-Road. Next up, we have a 3rd generation Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4. This one's coming in for an EIBACH Stage 2R setup with SBC ball joint upper control arms. Get in there so you can see the new EIBACH 2.0 coilovers installed and adjusted to about 3 inches of lift with the SBC ball joint upper control arms. Over to the rear end, we did install the Deaver add-a-leaf system. Interested in this EIBACH setup for your vehicle? Check us out at 88 Rotors Off-Road or simply click on the link in the description below. Gloss Black has been making a major comeback. This right here is the Method MR318s in a 17 by 8.5 size with a 0 offset in Gloss Black. We wrapped it up in a 285/70/17 BF Goodrich all-terrain KO2. Let's torque these bad boys up and bring it outside. And this is pretty much going to wrap it up for today's video, folks. Thank you very much for tuning in today. Make sure to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Most importantly of all, turn on that notification bell. That way you'll get alerted the next time we post another Tacoma video. Until then, take care, guys.